Audio Jungle.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you? First of all, let me introduce you myself. My name is Nur Hidayat.
My name is Andre Gunawan.
Today we will discuss about a degree of comparison with a theme of technology. Definition of technology. Technology is the sum of any technique, skill, method, and process used in the production of good or service or in the accomplishment of objective, such as scientific investigation. Technology can be the knowledge of technique, process, and the like, or it can be embedded in machine to allow for operation without detailed knowledge of their working. System applying technology by taking an input, changing it according to the system use, and then producing an outcome area. An outcome are referred to as technology system or technological system. The history of technology is the history of the invention of tool and technique and is one of the categories of world history. Technology can refer to method ranging from as simple as stone tool to the complex genetic engineering and information technology that has emerged since the 1090 and 18. The term technology comes from the Greek word text, meaning art and craft, and the word logos, meaning word and speech. It was first used to describe applied arts, but it is now used to describe adventure and change which affect the environment around. Get to know 1G to 4G technology. Some of you might already know that today's cellular network technology has reached the 5th generation, or what is known as 5G. This network technology is also said to be able to deliver data speed 20 times faster than the previous generation, namely 4G. However, before discussing 5G, it's a good idea to get to know the journey of cellular network technology, ranging from 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, to 5G. Oh yeah, speaking of the aforementioned network technology, do you know what the letter G stand in for in 1G, 2G, 3G, 5G, or 5G? Is generation. 3G. This technology is able to deliver data speeds that are faster than the previous generation with speeds up to 2 megabytes per second. With the presence of 3G, people around the world can enjoy various kinds of internet service, such as browsing, sending email, streaming video and music, sharing data, and teleconferencing. The 3G era also became the era of the birth of smartphone, with the biggest name at the time, namely BlackBerry and Apple. The birth of 3G in Indonesia for the first time occurred in 2005, when Telkomsel succeeded in conducting 3G trial based on WCDMA technology, or wideband code division multiple access, in Jakarta, which was then continued in several areas, such as Surabaya and Batam. After successful trial in 2006, Telkomsel became the first operator to roll out a 3G network commercially. And for the next presentation, we'll help with my friend Andre.
Thank you, Nur Hidayat. 4G. This technology was first launched commercially in Stockholm, Sweden, and Oslo, Norway and 2009 long-term operation standard based on of them orthogonal frequency division multiplexing technology for Gillette technology was tested in Indonesia by Telkomsel in 2003. Location on the island of Bali. It was only then launching commercially at the end of 2030 and made Telkomsel the first cellular operator to operate a 4G mobile network in Indonesia. Until now, Telkomsel 4G service has served tens of millions of users. Telkomsel continues to strive to provide the best 4G network even for all customers with coverage penetration 5G. As with the successor network technology, 5G is created to have more sophisticated capabilities than 4G, including theoretical it can achieve data rates up to 20 times faster 20 Gbps per second, 10 times lower latency, and times the connection density more than 4G 1 million defense kilometer per second. So it is not only for the fulfillment of mobile broadband service for consumer, but also for industry 4.0. There are several examples of use cases for consumers, such as enhanced mobile broadband, virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, and cloud gaming. Then some examples of use cases for industry B2B, including ads, VR. For the maintenance industry, smart surveillance, smart factory, remote control machines, remote security, drone surveillance, smart spot, and many more. 4G basically what makes the difference when these types of network is internet speed, offering and the quality of the network. 4G network has speeder high when compared to 3G, while the 5G network is currently being talked about will optimize its speed compared to 4G. 3G network company refers to as the generation is also known as WCDMA or omits the speed that is when is slightly higher than the 2G 3G network. Video streaming has a speed up to 480 kilobits per second, allowing you to perform video streaming or video call even with various limitations.
Meanwhile, the 4G network brings little change. This fourth generation is known as the development of 3G by offering speeds up to 100 megabytes per second. With this speed, you can access the internet more quickly and more easily. Quality premium and high security are also touted as its advantage by the 4G network. Thank you and see you later. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.